Hi, let's begin with the introduction. Here is the first chord, and you will have the D sharp minor composed of the D sharp, the F sharp, and the A sharp, and the bass note of D sharp. Then, the B major composed of the D sharp, the F sharp, and the B, and the bass note of B. Then, the F sharp major composed of the C sharp, the F sharp, and the A sharp, and the bass note of F sharp. And eventually, the A sharp minor composed of the C sharp, the F, and the A sharp, and the bass note of A sharp. And here's how you're gonna play these chords. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And you do this on every chord. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 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 And once you played the introduction, by repeating this chart twice in a row, you will move on to the verse using the same chart.
'Cause you're a sky, 'cause you're a sky full of stars. I'm gonna give you my heart.
And you continue.
'Cause you're a sky, 'cause you're a sky full of stars. 'Cause you light up the path.
And you will need to play this chart 4 times to complete the chorus, and then you will move on with the pre-chorus.
I don't care, go and tear me apart. I don't care if you do. Ooh, 'cause in the sky, 'cause in the sky full of stars, I think I saw you.
And you reach the chorus, which you will play with the same exact chart that you're gonna play 3 times in a row. Then you will move on with the second verse, second pre-chorus, and second chorus that you will play exactly like the first ones. However, at the end of the second chorus, you will hear that the chord order changes. So here's the chart, and it begins at 3 minutes 20 in the original song. And also one new chord, the C sharp major composed of the C sharp, the F, and the G sharp, and the bass note of C sharp. And I will play the previous chart once. Here. And you will need to play this chart 8 times in a row before finishing this song with the B major chord. I wish you good luck for this one, and I will see you in the next one.